Today is a body weight only workout. It's going to be an accumulator. So we're gonna do one move for 20 seconds, take 20 seconds rest. Then we're gonna do that same move again for 20 seconds, add a second move on for 20 seconds, and then have a 20-second rest. And then we're gonna do the same two moves and add a third, and then add a fourth, and then add a fifth, and then add a sixth. So it's gonna take us 9 minutes to get through the first 6 moves. So get yourself warmed up. Make sure you're ready to go. My legs are falling asleep while I'm crouched down there. So I'm gonna quickly show you the moves and then we'll get started. So move number 1 for 20 seconds, you're gonna do squat hops. Okay, then we're gonna take a 20-second break. Then we're gonna do squat hops again and then drop down and do push-ups. And then take a 20-second break. And then we're gonna do squat hops again, push-ups, and then we're gonna add on bicycle crunches. And then take a 20-second break. And then our 4th move we're gonna add on, we're gonna get to our feet really quick, and we're gonna do skaters. And then our 5th move, we're going back down, we're gonna do walking planks. And then our 6th move, from the ground, you're gonna do 4 mountain climbs, coming up and jump. 4 mountain climbs, coming up and jump. So burpee with mountain climbs. So we're gonna do 20 seconds on each move. After we finish the move, so move 1, 20-second break. Move 1 and 2, 20-second break. Move 1, 2, and 3, 20-second break. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, 20-second break. All the way to 6 moves. 20 seconds on. Everyone good? Okay, so I've got my timer. 20 seconds on. You get my fan on. I'm already warm just from doing that little demo. So hopefully everyone's ready. 20 seconds on, squat hops, and then you're gonna have a quick rest, and then we're gonna do it again. Okay, we begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat hops. Twenty seconds. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 20-second break, and then we're gonna do the squat hops again, and then we're gonna add push-ups right into it. There's no break after the squat hops. So we go in 10 seconds. Squat hops to push-ups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat hops for 20 seconds, then drop down right into push-ups for 20 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down right into push-ups. Ten seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Okay, we're gonna do 20 seconds of squat hops, 20 seconds of push-ups, flip over, 20 seconds of bicycles, and then a rest. So we got 9 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat hops. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Push-ups. And then 14 seconds to go. We'll roll over to bicycle crunches. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll over. Bicycle crunches. After this, we take a break for 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab a break. And we're gonna do it from the top again. 10 seconds. Squat hops. After our bicycles, we're gonna add skaters. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat hops. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Push-ups. Seconds. We're gonna roll over for bicycles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll over. Bicycles. You have to get to your feet really quick to get in those skaters. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hop up as quick as you can and skate. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Okay, we're going through it all over again. After the skaters, we had walking planks. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat hops. Four, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicycles. You have to make quick transitions. I'm gonna move this back. Three, 2, 1. Good. Skaters. And we drop down. Walk the plank. Hands to elbows, to hands, to elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop down. Elbow, hands, elbow, hands. After this, raise, leg, and break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We do it all over again. Add those 4 mountain climbs to a burpee after the walking planks. 10 seconds. Squat hops in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Push-ups. 9 seconds. I've got bicycles coming up. 3, 2, 1. Flip it fast. Bicycles. 10. Coming up to skaters in 2, 1. Make it quick and skate. Dropping down the plank. In 2, 1, walk the plank. Seconds. We got 4 mountain climbs. Up jump. 3, 2, 1. 4 mountain climbs. Up jump. Burpee. 4 climbs. Four, 3, 2, 1. Oh, and done. Okay. Grab water if you need it. We're gonna go into side plank. Just letting you have your rest. Hey, Suzanne. And time. Okay. So remember, before every live workout, make sure you are warmed up, because I'm gonna go right into the workout. So always make sure you're warmed up, and then afterwards, have a good nice cool down. So 6 rounds. I'm gonna set this timer. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds on, there's no rest. You're gonna just switch from side to side. Okay, so you're gonna hold side plank, right side for 20 seconds. As soon as my timer beeps, you're gonna switch left for 20 seconds. And then back to right for 20 seconds. And then back to left for 20 seconds. Everyone good with that? I'm getting a stare like, what? Okay, 20 seconds on. Side plank on your right side or your left, doesn't matter which side you start. Feet can be stacked, staggered, bottom leg bent. Stay on your elbow, make sure it's under your shoulder. We go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, side plank, right side. Ten seconds, and then we flip. So we're in side plank for 4 minutes. Just switching sides. 3, 2, 1. Good. Flip. Keep holding. It's a nice break. Catch your breath. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch other side. Second time on the right side, or where you started. If you started left. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and flip. Keep holding that side plank. Keep that hip high. 13. 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip. Ten seconds.
You got rest in the pan.
Yeah, I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip. Other side. Keep holding strong. 10 seconds. We're gonna do that whole accumulator again, but backwards. 3, 2, 1, flip. It's a long time holding side plank. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, flip. 12 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flip. Second last time on this side. Are you getting tired? Keep holding. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, flip. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, flip. Last time each side. Last time each side. 12 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flip. 15. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Okay, if you need water, grab some water. We're going to be going right into our accumulator again. But this time, we're going backwards. So we're going to start at the burpees, to the plank walk, to the skaters, to the bicycles, to the push-ups, to the squat hops. So we're going backwards. Same format though. 20 seconds on burpees with 4 mountain climbs at the bottom, 10 seconds rest, then we're gonna add the plank walks, and so on and so forth. Okay, everyone ready? We're gonna go in 10 seconds, starting with the burpees. 4 mountain climbs, jumper stand at the top. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. So we're gonna go back into those 4 mountain climbs to that burpee, and then right into walking planks. 13 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, walking planks. And we take a break, and we take it from the top. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Burpees, to walk the plank, to skaters. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, walking planks. From here, after this move, we go right into skaters. 4, 3, 2, 1, come on up, skate. Really close to the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. We take it from the top and we add bicycles. 13 seconds. Burpees, walk plank, skaters, bicycles. 4, 3, 2, 1, Let's go. Three, two, one. Walk the plank. Four, three, two, one. Skaters. And then we hit bicycles right after this. You got 9 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicycles. Ten seconds. Three, two, one. And time. We take it from the top again. After the bicycles, we have push-ups. Okay, burpees. 4 mountain climbs. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, two, one. Walking planks. After this, skaters. Three, two, one. Skate. Five, four, three, two, hit the ground. Bicycles. And we're gonna flip over for push-ups in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, push-ups. Five, four, three, two, one. Everybody take it from the top. 15. Burpees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. After the push-ups, we add squat hops to finish. 3, 2, 1, walk plank. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, skate. After this, bicycles. Three, two, one. Drop down. Bicycles. Ten seconds. Three, two, one. 2, 1, and squat hops. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Grab water if you need it. Okay, we got 2 moves coming up. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds on. Kind of like the side plank. 1 is a hold, 1 isn't. I'm just gonna reset this. 6 rounds. Okay, I'm gonna shake out my legs. We're gonna do a squat hold for 20 seconds. From there, you're gonna go right in to butt kickers for 20 seconds. And back to squat hold, back to butt kickers, squat, butt, 6 times through. Then we're gonna go down the add-on. Sorry, the 6 moves going down, the 6 moves going up. And we'll do one more, 2 moves. Do you need something? 25?
Yeah, sure.
All right. 20 seconds on, squat hold. 20 seconds on, butt kickers, no break. And then we're gonna go down and up, and then we're gonna do 2 more moves to finish. Okay, we go in 4, 3, 2, 1, squat hold. From here, we come up and go right into butt kickers. 10 seconds. This is round 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. Let's go into butt kickers. 14 seconds. Drop in a squat. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Hold the squat. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kickers. Oh, my legs. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. This is round 3, so we're halfway. Chris is bringing it up a notch. She's holding weight. 9 seconds. Oh, my legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kickers, that's only round 3. 3 more to go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Ten seconds. Oh, my legs. I definitely don't want to come up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kickers. Two more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. 10. 3, 2, 1. I'm slowly inching out of that. One more. One more. 3, 2, 1. Last time, squat hold. Oh, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kickers. Three, 2, 1, and done. Okay. So the 6 moves: squat hops, push-ups, bicycles, skaters, plank walks, burpees, and then burpees, plank walks. So up and down, the full 6 moves without a rest. So you're gonna go up, squat hops, push-ups, bicycles, skaters, plank walks, burpees, and then you do burpees right after you do burpees, and then you do plank walk, skater, bicycle, push-up, squat hop, and then we do one more set of 2 moves, and that's it. So 32 minutes in, we're a little bit longer than I said to Chris. So 20 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm just gonna up my rounds just in case. Okay, starting at squat hops. So going right back into those legs and then dropping to push-ups. I'll call out the moves. 3, 2, 1, go. Squat hops. 5, 4, 3, 2, drop down, push-ups. Let's go. After this, flip over for bicycles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip over, bicycles. And then we come up for skaters. It's a fast round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skaters. After this, we walk the plank. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Walk the plank.
Don't give me ideas.
What?
Walk the plank.
Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right into burpees. 4 climbs. Up jump. 3, 2, 1. Walk the plank. Skaters are coming up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up and skate. We did. Didn't we?
No.
Oh, crap. I missed a burpee. Okay. After the squat hops, we're doing the burpees. You caught on. 3, 2, 1. Bicycles. So I missed a whole set of burpees. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip it over. Push-ups. So after our squat hops, we're gonna do that missed set. I think that's the second time I've missed something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat house. We're gonna go into burpees with 4 climbs in 3, 2, 1. That was our misset. It was an oopsie on my part. Four, 3, 2, 1, and time. Okay. If you need water, grab water. 2 more moves, 6 rounds, and we are done. So you're gonna be in plank the whole time this time. First move, try to show you on the side. You're going to do a tricep push-up hold. So drop down and hold for 20 seconds. And come out of it and go right in to plank jacks. 6 rounds. I'm gonna try to do 3 with my vest on and then I'm gonna drop this vest. This is gonna be hard. Okay. 6 rounds. First move, tricep push-up hold. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And then we go right into plank jacks. So stay low, chest covers the ground. Oh, I can't even see my... 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press out of it. Plank jacks. The hardest part is getting out of it after that long hold. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Tricep push up. I can't see this. Delay the timer. I'm cheating. I'm cheating. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press out of it. Plank jacks. Round 3 coming up. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna drop to my knees. Twelve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press out of it. Plank jacks. And we're done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tricep push-up hold. Knees, toes. And if you find that becomes too hard, just a low plank hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank jacks. Two more. 3, 2, 1. Push up hold. 14. 8, 3, 2, 1. Plank jacks. One more run. 3, 2, 1. Tricep push-up hold. 10. 3, 2, 1. Press up. Sling jacks. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And time. Shake out those arms. Wrists. Well done, you guys. Okay. High five from me. Virtual. I can give Chris a high five. Love having you here, Chris, but zip it. We almost got off easier.
Yeah, I knew that was coming. It was bait and switch. It was supposed to be half an hour. What the heck?
It was 42 minutes. I said, he asked how long it would be. I said, oh, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. It was good. Well done, you guys. Great job. Even those extra burpees we missed that we put in at the end. Nice job. When you're done, say goodbye. I know you're not, some of you might not be done, or you're walking around, starting your stretch, having some water. Let me know what you thought. We are back.